and what are the basic shapes of the geometry, and you have understanding the some of the basic elementary shapes, right? So even you have seen some of the circles, triangle shapes, and line segment, ray, and angles, triangles, etc. Right? So in this class we are going to construct these shapes using some of the geometrical tools. Let's see which are the geometrical tools in your geometry box and what are the uses of that. Okay. Then the first one is ruler. So it is the ruler. So it has two straight edges. So on one of the side, so it has mentioned the numbers in centimeters, and on the other side they mentioned the inches. So what is the use of this ruler? So it is used to draw a line segment, and also it is used to measure the length of a line segment. Okay? Yes. And the other one is compasses. So it has two edges, and one of the edge sharp edge, and the other way we can place the pencil. Okay. So what is the use of this compasses? So it is used to construct a circle, and it is very important tool in our geometry box to construct a circle, triangle, angle, and line also. Okay. So it is used to draw an arc, and also to construct a circle, to construct a triangles, and also to construct an exact length of the line segment. Okay. Then the third one is it is the divider. It is used to measure the exact length of two line segments or two lines. So it has two sharp end points. Okay. Then the fourth one is set squares. So these are the two set squares. So you may see here in the set square, one of the angle is exactly equals to 90 degree, and the other angle is 60 degree, and the third angle is equals to 30 degree. Okay. Then the other one set square is here. So here one of the angle is 90 degree, and the other two angles are equals to 45 degrees. So these set squares are used to draw a perpendicular lines, and also used to draw a parallel lines. Okay. Then the last one is protractor. Okay. So you may see here the protractor. It is a semicircular device, and you may see here on the right side there is a 0 up to the 180 degree points. Okay. And also vice versa. Okay, 0 to 180 degree, left to right, and right to left, 0 to 180 degree. It is used to draw an angles and to measure an angles. Okay, is it clear? Yes. So in this lesson we are going to do the constructions using the ruler and the compasses. So before going to use those two tools, so we have to follow the some of the rules. So let's see which are those. So you have to be careful while you are using these tools. Here there are some of the tips, it will help you. The first one is draw thin lines and mark points lightly. So while you are drawing a straight line and while you are drawing an arc, so you have to draw lightly with a dot pencil. So every time you have to sharpen your pencil and you have to draw a light line segments or light curves. Okay. Yes. And the second one is maintain the instruments with the sharp tips and fine edges. So every time you should sharpen your pencil and you have to draw the line segments. Okay. And the third one is have two pencils in the box, and one for the insertion on the compasses, and the other to draw lines or curves to mark the points. So in a geometry box you may have get the two pencils, and one of the pencil for the insertion of the compasses. Okay, and the other pencil for to mark the points. Okay, so if you place the pencil in this compasses, the edge of the two tips, edge of the one of the compasses tip and one of the pencil tip are both at a same. Okay, are both in the same length. Okay, then let's go to the radius having the 3 centimeter. Okay, so if they given the radius, we can take directly 3 centimeter. So if they are given the diameter, so we know the diameter is equals to 2 times of radius. Diameter is equals to 2 times of radius. So if they given, so construct the circle having the diameter, how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. If they given diameter is equals to 5 centimeter, then construct the circle. So how can you take the radius? It's just we have to divide by 2. Why? Because 2 times of radius is equals to diameter, right? So if we divide by the 2, we will get 2.5 centimeter. Okay? Yes. Then let's see the exercise problems. Okay? Let's start the exercise 14.1. So in the exercise 14.1, the first question is draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. So here they are given the radius, measure the 3.2 centimeter using the compass. Okay. So first mark the point on your notebook at once. Okay. So here I will mark the point center of the circle and I will mark it as O. Okay. So now I will take the compasses. So now open the compasses having the required radius is 3.2 centimeter. Okay. So again take a ruler and measure the 3.2 centimeter. So after the 3 centimeter, so we have to take 2 digits, means that is 2 millimeters. Okay. So place the ruler on your notebook and keep the sharp edge of the compasses on the 0 and place your 3 of the 2 places. Okay. Next now, so place the sharp tip of the compasses on the center. Okay, and hold the compasses at the screw side. And just at once you have to draw a circle. Be careful to complete the one movement. Okay, so it is the circle having the radius 3.2 centimeter. So here I have drawn a thin circle and here is the point O and it is A and it is the radius having the measurement 3.2 centimeter. Okay? Yes. Then the second question is with the same center O, draw 2 circles of radii. So radius is singular, radii is plural. So radii 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. Yes. Again we have to draw a circle having the one center but different radius. So here the first one is first we have to mark the center of the circle. So in the middle I will mark your center of the circle. Okay. Then now I will take first the 2.5 centimeter. Now it is the length of 2.5. First I will draw here, mark it as O. Place the sharp needle of the compasses. Okay, so it is the radius having the 2.5. Okay, then let's draw. Take the and any two of its diameters, if you join the ends of these diameters, what is the figure obtained? And what figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? How do you check your answer? Is so first we have to draw one of the circle, and we have to draw a two diameters for the circle, and we have to join the two ends of the diameter, and we have to check which shape we will get here. So first to draw a circle. So first I will mark the center. It is the question number 3. So just I will mark here the center of a circle O. Just I will take here 3 centimeter radius. So it is the compass having the length 3 centimeter. Now I will draw the circle having 3 centimeter. Here they did not mention to take the radius. So however we can take any other radius. Okay. So now I have taken here 3 centimeter. Draw a circle. So it is a circle having the radius 3 centimeter. This is a 3 centimeter. So now we have to draw a two diameters for this circle. Okay. And let's draw here. First I will draw here this side two diameters. So diameter means we know that the line segment which passes through the center of a circle. Okay, then again I will draw here in one circle we can draw many number of diameters. Okay, so now I will join the two edges of the diameter. So here there is an edge. Now you may see here. So here the length of opposite sides are same, and here also the opposite sides are same. So it is the property of a rectangle, right? So in the rectangle we will see that the opposite sides are equal, and each angle measures the 90 degree, right? So here each angle measures the 90 degree. Hence the figure obtained figure is rectangle, right? Right now here, when we join ends of diameters, we get rectangle shape. We get rectangle shape. Okay. Then the other figure. So again we have to draw a circle having the same length 3 centimeter radius, and we have to draw a perpendicular diameters. Okay. So perpendicular diameter means the two line segments which intersect at one point and forms the 90 degree. So right. So these are the line segments are called as a perpendicular lines. Mark the center to draw a circle 0, and measure the compass having the 3 centimeter, and draw a circle here. So while you are drawing a circle or constructing a circle, please don't rotate your notebook. Just you have to rotate the compass and pulse. Okay? Yes, it is the circle having the radius 3 centimeter. perpendicular means having the angle 90 degree between these two diameters. So it is a, now the two diameters are perpendicular to each other. Then we have to join the ends of the diameter. Then let's see which figure we will get. Join the line segments. So every time you have to sharpen your pencil to get a good construction. So whatever you construct, you have to construct at once. Don't repeat that. Don't erase it and don't draw often. Okay? Yes. So now you may see here. Here the you will observe here it is the shape of a square, right? So you may observe here all the four sides are having the equal length and each angle between these. So each angle is measures 90 degree. So it can be said to be a square shape, right? So now we write here. So when we draw diameters perpendicularly, diameters perpendicular to each other, we get a square shape. We get a square shape. Is it clear? Yes. Let's go to the fourth question. The fourth question is they are given. So draw any circle and mark the points A, B and C such that. So A is on the circle, B is on the interior of the circle and C is on the exterior of the circle. Okay. So first draw a circle. So here also they did not mention the radius of the circle. So I will take again 3 centimeter than radius. Okay. So first I will mark the center of the circle and here there is a required length. So here I have taken the 3 centimeter radius and I will draw the circle here. If they did not mention the radius, you may take your own. Okay. So it is little bit thick. So you have to draw lightly. Okay. So here they said to mark the points. A is on the circle. A is on the circle. So on the circle is on the circumference. We have to draw. We have to mark a point A and B is in the interior of the circle. So it is in the interior part of the circle. So wherever you can mark the point B. Okay, and C is in the exterior of the circle. So it is the exterior of the circle. So wherever you may mark the point and write it as C. That's it. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then let's go to the fifth question. And the fifth question is, let A be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of each other. Let him intersect at C and D. Examine whether AB line segment and CD line segment are at right angles. Okay. So here they said to draw the two circles having the equal radii. Okay. So let's first draw a line segment. That is the radius of the circle. That is, I will take here the 4 centimeter. So I will take here the point A and point B. It is one of center of one of the circle and B is center of the other circle and the radius is 4 centimeter. So now we have to take the compasses having the measurement 4 centimeter. Just measure here and draw a circle from the center of a circle A. The same type, don't change the measurement and draw a circle from the point B. Here it is a chalk piece, it comes a thick circle. So you have to sharp your pencil and draw a thick circle. Okay. So it is the point B and it is the point A. So these two circles are intersect at the point here C and here the point D. So now we have to join these two points. Just join here using the ruler. So if now we join here, so we will see here AB is perpendicular to CD. So AB is perpendicular to CD, then we set it to be